Hello everybody, I hope you're okay. In this demonstration we're going to be going over two main things. In this one we're going to be looking at how we're going to be using colour correction to see into these pixels or spaces of light, if you want to put it like that. And then we're going to be brightening the image up, which we've acquired, which should be this one. And we're going to be using negative index colour correction techniques to see into these diodes, really small diodes, and then we're going to be revealing the faces of them. And then we're going to be looking over this, and we're going to be using video, the same techniques but in video, to clear up this orb which was caught on camera, and see what we can get out of there and take some print screens of that. Right, let's load it up. So it's this one. So you can see there's the red there, but we'll go into the CYMK to start with. Channels. And separate them. Like so. It's actually different. Actually they are there, in there. So we're going to the Luma channels, which is the red, green and blue. So let me explain this. So we've taken a picture. This would actually end a light phenomena. And your camera, your devices, it'll compress all them pixels and all the light and everything into one channel. So camera can encode it so we can see it. So essentially what we're doing is putting the shades back in there by doing this. And as you can see, there's the blue there, so we'll lower that down. Let's see if we can make any more adjustments over here. So yeah, this is a really small piece. So as you can see, we're starting to formulate the picture up there. So to speed the demonstration up, we'll load the one I made earlier up here. So luckily I've checked him. So we go back in. The colour lines there. So we'll put the curvatures in. Now they're the brightest diodes there, as you can see. So we're wanting to load them down. You see how it's starting to reveal some points of light behind the brightest points. So now we've got them colours. Now we can separate them because the camera's encoded it into one channel. Now we've put 2 channels in there and one channel there, so it's got 3 altogether. So we'll just brighten up the around them. So as you can see, we've revealed the faces. So we'll export that. I'll put these on the page so you can have a look at them close up. This one. So we've gone from this picture to this, and they've got some really detailed faces. I mean, you can tell that's a face. Really small. It's got really small nanostructures inside. But I mean, there's quite a few revealed there. Look at that one. It's amazing that. There we go. He's got a bit of a quiff on his hair. Then there's this one. Look at all them. Yep, amazing that. So now we're gonna load up the video. Now because we're using curvature on more than one frame, it could possibly change, but since I've gone on to video here, can't zoom in on video. But you can see the orbit in the middle there. Light phenomena. Now the brightest point. It's not brightest point there. So let's have a look what we can do. Yeah, we're revealing more red there, so we'll reduce the red out. And then we'll brighten it up. Export that one out. Just give it a second. Here we go. So this is the that's the orb there. So because I'm using an app, I can't use time warping and slow it down, but we can grab a print screen from this. Let's make sure it's a decent one. We'll take this one. So what we're gonna have to do, because the actual piece we're looking at is a bit further away from camera, so we'll take a print screen there, and we'll go to it again, another print screen. We'll go back into the app and load it up in there as a photo. So as you can see, we'll reduce more of the colours. We're revealing this. But that's the overall picture. So what we'll do is we'll invert it. No, that's definitely something in there. Floating in front of the curtains. Look at that. So we can see it. We can see some things there. And there's a square structure in the middle, floating in the middle of my room. And then we've got this black patch here, which is something. So we want to see what's behind there. So we'll have to go put some white into the picture. Look at that. And that's inside there. It's a bit too much red there. Let's see. Brighten it up so we can see it better. That's looking a little bit more interesting now that I know. So exporting out, I've seen a couple of interesting little nano diodes that caught my attention. So we're looking from that to that. Right, zoom into this. Into this point, because there's nowhere that this was in the middle of my room. In the middle of the living room, nowhere. So let's have a look at what we can do because the camera's snapped it into one. Snap the colour into one. We'll just have to separate the spectrums again. As you can see, the green's probably part to do with the curtain in the living room. The reds and the purples are unconfirmed. So look at that. You can see there's a structure to the bottom left hand corner there. Square type of structure. Something there. And that's that structure in the bottom corner. Stuff inside there. So yeah, I hope that were a quick enough demonstration for you, and you take care and stay safe. See you.